Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, and it is May 1st, the first day of May, yeah. So we're back again trading XAUUSD. We've taken only one trade for this week. So today, hopefully, we should be getting. I feel like we should get a good entry today. I feel like we should get a good entry today. So let's just watch the chart. I've already marked out this, so just give me a minute. I'll be back. So give me a minute and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Let's continue. Hopefully, my battery could last this long. So we're looking at XAUUSD today. And basically, yes, this week we just got in one trade for this week, but today is Thursday, and usually on Thursday usually get a high win rate. I just saw a Telegram notification coming. Was that Happy Forex? Okay, they just hit SL. What are they doing today? By okay, no panic. SL hits first trade today. New York session will get it back in double, hopefully. So, but we're just here. I just have to wait patiently for my setup to play out. So basically, this is 8 a.m. right here, and which is also equals to which is also equals to 3 a.m., which is also equals to 3 a.m. New York time, which is there. So we have the high formed here. Very nice high, very nice low. 15 minutes high, 15 minutes low formed there. So basically, you're just waiting for a break, a retracement, then we enter for 2 hours or 2.5 hours down to a liquidity target around here. So also, um, also we're looking forward to saying, okay, if we could get a break above here, then basically we're looking for highs. We're looking to get that high. So this is basically what we're waiting for and anticipating. While I'm waiting for that, quickly share the Telegram link so we can have an interactive conversation. Everyone share their chat and all that. So it's you see the title. We're trading US oil and gold. So I recently added US oil to my trading peers because I saw that okay, it has like the momentum that I'm looking forward to. So that's the reason why I added US oil. That's the reason why I added US oil to my peers. So we're getting the second push down. Hopefully, if we get a close on the 3 minutes, then I'm looking forward to pitching a sell around here. So if we get a close, I'm looking forward to hitting a sell. So, but it's just bouncing off that level right now. It's literally just bouncing off. Okay, it's about to take it out. It's about to take out. So we're watching patiently, watching patiently. Let's see how it plays out. You can let me know your thoughts in the comment section. While we wait for this to play out patiently. Or wait, still waiting. So I'm also sharing the links to the community. So if you have not joined the Telegram community, make sure to join. The link is in the description. So you could see when in case because sometimes we don't get the signal on the live stream. We usually get the signal maybe after the live stream has ended because we can't stay here all day waiting for the setup. We just do the analysis here, then wait for it. Can't really wait all day. So as I said, I'm trading US oil and gold. So let me show you the US oil chart. So I already got a trade earlier this morning on US oil, which has already hit take profit. Trading view. I already got a trade on US oil that hit take profit already. So I'm just waiting on gold. Maybe we could still get something here on gold. If not, so basically today will even be the last day of trading for me this week, because tomorrow is NFP, and as you if you already know, I don't trade on NFP days because the market is usually messy. We try to avoid loss, unnecessary loss. So that's the reason why I don't trade on NFP days. So basically trying to avoid unnecessary loss because of the irregular volatility on that day, because of the news that will be coming out. So that's the only reason. Okay, we're having a break. 3 minutes. No close yet. We have a close on the 5 minutes. Any close on the 15 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, a 15 minutes candle should close. So I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes. That's, yeah, 10:55. So let me wait. Once this 15 minutes candle close, that will be my confirmation for an entry. That will be my confirmation for an entry once we get the close of this 15 minutes candle that's forming right now. Because it could just literally weak and it just form a week and that's all. So I don't want that. I don't want that to happen. So yeah, it's still pushing down, which is good, which is a good sign. It's still pushing down. It's a good sign. So I'm just waiting. Next 5 minutes, we should be able to determine our fate. So right now, I think I should be getting ready for execution. So this is the US oil trade that I took today, almost hitting take profit. The same logic we have. This is the low I marked here, and the only difference with US oil trading is that because of the tight, because the pips are not as large as gold, so we are able to put stop loss above on 15 minutes high and 15 minutes low, unlike gold where we put our stop loss on 3 minutes low and 3 minutes high. But on US oil you can put your stop loss on a 15 minutes. This is just about 5 pips. I mean, is it 5 or 57 pips? Around 5 pips or 57, but it's not much. It's around like $5 if you're using a 0.01 lot. Yeah, it's around that range. We're using a 0.01 lot size. So aiming for 2 hours down here. So yesterday US oil was a loss. On Monday it was a loss. On Friday it was a win. So basically profitable. Okay, I don't know. Somebody can't see my screen. I'm going to present the screen again. I'm going to present the screen again. This time I'll just share. I'll just share only gold. I'll just share only this Chrome window. So I believe everybody can see my screen now. We have price running down aggressively. I believe for a 15 minutes close, even though the price is aggressively running down. I'm still gonna be patient and just wait because that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay, in the next 1 minute now. Okay, see the US oil trade almost take profit. I think this one is already in take profit. So you guys should start expecting me to drop US oil. I decided to just add another pair because of the way gold has just been slow and all. So US oil has been like the best alternative or suggestion that I felt like okay, it's gonna go well. So I'm getting ready to execute my sales right now because I believe we will have a 15 minutes close. So I'm just calculating all my risks on all my accounts, calculating all the risks on all my accounts. So I just hit a sell on this account now. Let me see if you guys can see it. I just hit a sell on this account. So it's already in profit. I have a funded next account and a funding pips account as well. So I'll be hitting sales on those ones too. I'm risking $80. Don't worry, I'll show you guys once I place the order. So I'm risking $80 on both of them. So just calculating, tango for like MT5. MT5 allows you to calculate your stop loss very well. Zero point. Well, funding pips. I just noticed that funding pips spread is more than funded next spread because the same stop loss is showing $85. Yeah, while on the same stop loss is showing $85 on funding pips, and on funding next is showing $80. Same stop loss. So I believe we are good to go. We were good to go on all the accounts. So I'll be sharing it on my screen very soon, so you can feel the pressure as well. So I got in some positions around here. All of them are just around there. All of them are market executions. And we do have a very tight stop, very tight stop loss. So this is what I'm aiming. If you want to sell gold now, you can sell gold now. So I'll give you, I can just drop like a signal on the group. So not financial advice because this is YouTube now. So sell gold now at your own risk. So sell gold now, but at your own risk. Risk what you are willing to just do now. No. Let's go. So go. Let me just quickly take a screenshot of this. Send it over to the Telegram. Wow, we're in profits already. But you know, go now. It might not be for long. It might just reject. So, anyways, just get ready to just always be willing to accept the risks on your positions. So, if you're on the Telegram, you should see the chart update. So, I believe US oil almost at take profit. So, great. If you This is good for everybody that has low capital now. because US oil doesn't really require you very much capital. So if you have very low capital, yeah, what you're lucky because next week Monday I'll start dropping signals on US oil as well because I've done a lot of back testing on it as you can see. It works very nicely, especially when times gold market conditions are not good. You could be getting like very great market conditions on US oil. So profits on all the accounts you can see. So we have this one about $8-11. So you can see all of them. This okay, this is funded next as well. Some profit already. Then this is a Naira account. So let's just hold. Let's just hold, and see. Let's just hold. So there's this trade I'm entering. This is a copy trading account. If you're on the copy trading plan, you maybe your account will be if you're on the copy trading plan now, your account should be in like small profit. So this is a copy trading plan accounts, and because it's copy trading, I don't think copy trading is available on MT5. So that's why you can see the green interface. So I actually have to set the stop loss like manually. I have to set the stop loss manually. So I will have to check the number. So the number for the stop loss is around 3,000. Okay, 3224.44. So I will just slide 3224.44.44 modify. So set the stop loss there. Don't know how many pips is that. It's very difficult to like calculate this thing on MT4. Oh, I say US oil. Yeah, US oil is good. US oil is good. I've been seeing. I just started back testing it. I just started back testing it. It has been really, really good. Very, very good. So I started back testing US oil, and yeah, I saw what you're talking about. It's good. It's good. It's good. So expect me to be trading it more starting from Monday. So on profit, yeah, profit. Can I even share my? Let's see if we can. Let me see if I can share the account on the screen. Wow, US, it's great. The gold, please feed us today. Feed us today, gold. If you get up to a 1 to 1 R, that means what you are risking. If the profit gets up to what you are risking, it should bring your stop loss to break even. That's one thing you need to know on gold. Once you get up to what you are risking, if you are risking 10k and your profit gets to 10k, bring your stop loss to break even if you don't want to cry on gold. Speaking from pure experience, just bring it, even though it hits your break even and go your way. That is going to save you more times than you think. Yeah, US oil. It's true. US oil can actually the comments. If you want to start trading US oil, always watch out for APIs. APIs EIA inventory news. I don't know what that is, but I'll check it out. Thanks for that comment. I'll check it out. I don't know what it is, but I'll check it out. So by Shannon, like this guy, let's say Dapo is now. The part of his story, he said that he used to trade US oil a lot, so and he's even long term, like swing trading. I know investors they look how the price of oil usually affects like their commodities. So that's how I was able to like convince Dangote to like, okay, he told him, predicted the stock price because he knew that US oil was going to drop. So he told the Dangote that, okay, your price is gonna, okay, my alert is already ringing. I guess that's for US oil. Big profit hit, smash, great. So done for the day on that. So just have to wait for. So yeah, I took this one personally. I didn't share it because I'm still. This is just this week I started back testing US oil, and as you can see, I have to check. That's one thing. You don't just jump into any pair just because your strategy works on one. You have to test it out. See, okay, this is like in this case, I would have won this trade. Okay, yeah, in this trade, this case you have won this trade. In this case, would have lost this trade. You can see that there are losses in this case, yeah, in this case. So in this case, yeah, okay, where's the low? This is the low. This is 15 minutes low. This is the 15 minutes high. In this case, we would have hit break even on this trade. Hit break even on that trade. So USO looks good. I think it's going to be great to trade it. It's gonna be great to trade it. Your gold is in some nice profit already. Nice. So still holding, still holding.
On gym before I come, so I can do
Check
my
my
hair.
funded next account. Also funded next account. Okay, on this account, Rickson R80. So one thing you should always keep in mind, yeah, whenever you enter a trade, the outcome of the trade is already it's not in your hands anymore. There's nothing you can do once you've entered the trade. Can you can only manage your risks. Can only manage your risks. So each of the funded accounts, I'm risking 80 for 200. So that's 2.5 hours. That's 2.5 hours. So and let me show you where the profit target is. Profit target is this low, this 1 hour low, which is this one here. Okay, that's up to 3 hours. So I don't think that's it. I think the profit target is around here. Yeah, that's it. It's this low, this first one here. So that's where we're aiming. Hopefully something should just push it down because if something doesn't push this trade down and it goes back up, it will want to come back to this point and destroy. So we're in profit. Yo, I'm seeing some new faces. If you're just joining for the first time, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, if you're just joining, this is your first time joining, be sure to subscribe. I stream every single day. I live stream every single day here on YouTube. US oil and gold every single day on YouTube. Every single blessed day that I have live, I live stream here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe. You can give the video a like as well, so more people get to see. So more people get to see. Don't know if there's a trade center here. Where is the trade? Let's just watch the charts instead. Let's just watch the charts. A little pullback. So we're getting a pullback here. If you have not entered the trade, this area, if we could retrace back here, that fair value gap, that fair value gap will be a perfect entry for you if you have not entered already. You should just wait for it to pull back up there, but it's not certain that it's going to pull back up there. So it's not certain that it's going to pull back there, but you could wait and see. So if you have any peers suggestions, you can let me know so I'll check it out. Peers you want me to check out, let me know in the comments so I can check it out. Okay, I just got a message on WhatsApp. There is an unemployment claims news in a few hours, so be ready for that. Okay, hopefully that should propel us forward now. So let me check Forex Factory. So thank you, Sammy. Sammy sent me a message on WhatsApp saying there is an unemployment claims news in a few hours, so be ready for that. So let me check. I'm going to filter. Where's the filter? I'm going to filter this to only high impact news and no impact news. And I want to see only on USD. So I'll clear all this because I'm only trading USD stuff. Okay, so yes, by 1:30 we have unemployment claims, and by 3 p.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI. So yeah, correct, Sammy. Thanks. So watch out for that. So, but hopefully we hit take profit before then because it's not fun now. If we don't hit take profit, that means price should be stalling. Then once it comes, somebody is saying Nasdaq E-mini. So I believe Nasdaq E-mini, it's for this thing now. Is that not futures contract? And I don't think futures is available. Okay, this light is too bright. I don't think futures is available in Nigeria yet because I tried trading futures before. So, but Nasdaq, I don't usually trade Nasdaq. No, do you know this is not the right time for those pairs because New York session is usually the best. Okay, let's just check Nasdaq. Hmm. Let's see if Nasdaq works with that. Okay, for Nasdaq, I don't like the candles are so small. So basically for Nasdaq, we would have marked this high because the high formed before it would have marked this low, but we didn't get 15 minutes close below that low. So this other low will still be an option. So basically on Nasdaq now we would have taken our entry right here at that fair value gap. Just it's very tiny. I don't know if you can see, but that's where we would have taken our entry on if I was trading Nasdaq, and we'll also be in profit on Nasdaq. So the fair value gap there is super small here. So that's what I would have taken the entry on just here and aim for 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So that's how. Let's check yesterday on Nasdaq. Wow, yesterday on Nasdaq it went to take profit because we would have marked this low. So, but we didn't get a clear takeout from the low until this point. So once it closed below that low, we would have looking for cutting our entry to around here yesterday, and it went down. Mm, I feel like we can trade almost any pair, but let's just go. I just pick USOIL for next week. You can see again here too. We had a retracement back after taking out the low before 8 o'clock. We had a retracement. Let's say we use that high as our stop loss. We would have still hitting 2.5 hours yesterday. So that would have been about two wins already on Nasdaq this week if we were trading Nasdaq. So, but this one here, we're gonna pick. We would have picked this high. Yeah, I would have definitely picked that high. We would have gotten the close here. Then I would have been gotten stopped out on Monday. So basically had one win and two losses on Nasdaq. So today is still playing out. So today is the last day I'll be trading this week because tomorrow is NFP and I don't trade on NFP day. Okay, I was about to take screenshot of profits. Let me do that, sister. I just want Go to just show those big red candles. To just give us those big red candles now, honestly. That's literally what I just want to see. We're already hitting take profit on US oil. Okay, great. So let's wait for goal to play out. Once, as I said, once you get, because I'll be going off the live now. So once you see a 1-to-1 R, move your stop loss to break even. I will still drop the other 1-to-1 R. Once you see a 1-to-1 R, don't know, it's supposed to be giving 1-to-1 R. I think we entered down here instead. Once you see a 1-to-1 R, just move your stop loss to break even. Once you see 1-to-1 R, just move your stop loss to break even. So that's it here. Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, you can still enter Nasdaq if anybody's trading Nasdaq. If you retrace it back down to this previous entry, you can still go in. Gold, if you go back, because I think gold can do that. There's nothing you can do. Gold can actually go back up here, put us in some loss, and still come back down. So you can still find an entry there on gold. So you can still find an entry on gold. So that'll be all for today, guys. All the updates will be dropped on Telegram channel. See you next live on Monday. And on Monday, we'll be trading two pairs, USOIL and gold. Anyone will see a setup first, guess will just enter on it. And I'll be creating a dedicated account just for USOIL. Maybe I'll share the logins so you guys can monitor it. I'll share like investor logins. I think USOIL you can risk about 5K per trade also because the stop loss for my backtest range from around 50, 40 pips. Not much stop loss. I'll be 4 pips safe, not much. So I'll think about it over the weekend. Then yeah, see you all on the Telegram channel and also on Monday live. So I believe we don't have any other comments. Let me end the live stream.